This is our presentation for iOS. I'm Peter.
I'm Michelle.
I'm Alan.
And today I'm going to be quickly demoing
how we begin to move down for iOS. So coming here, I can put a username to your demo.
Yeah, we're pretty sure, dude.
There's myself, that's director of NES. Select the region. I'm going to say Central West. Expertise, I'm going to say AI. Put here, I'm going to put here demo. Gmail, and then password in. So creating the account will take us to the main dashboard. And from there, one thing that we have is personalized matching. So since it knows how to enter the area, and I have AI as an expertise, it shows that there are already these events in the vicinity, such as the Bronco AI for Better Future Hackathon. But the main thing I really want to show you in this demo is some opportunities. So we have the course catalog, where you can look at the course details. But the beauty of this is whenever we go to university outreach, we can look at any university. So a volunteer wants to give a name, an institution.
That's good.
I'll say Adult Beach.
We can actually search it up and discover the event in Cal State Long Beach. It takes around 7 or so seconds to kind of scrape and sort out the list of items for that institution. Okay, so this is, for example, Cal State Long Beach College. So we can send this to matching, right? And automatically we see the best candidates for this. The selected one, Cal State Long Beach, is right here. We see the best matches for this. I can select this structuring someone, and then you can see the best matching for the spin. But from there, we can go and send it straight to outreach all in one. So I can go draft an email, right? I could choose a tone, I want it to be professional, generate the draft, copy it to my clipboard, and then open up my email, paste it in, take the subject that I want, to go ahead and send it. So that's the beauty of our kind of streamlined process, and that concludes the demo for now. I'm going to turn it over to the rest of the team to present.
All right, up next, we have the challenges and proposed solution. So the challenges that I faced was that students couldn't find job opportunities through like job fairs. So we decided to include that with our Opportunity Center FC. And path from engagement to membership, pipeline is invisible, so you can't see like, oh, when did I join this? Or like, how did this person move from volunteer to an actual member? So from there, we have our pipeline dashboard, which is seen in our demos previous. And organization face limited volunteer capacity and low retention. So not enough people are able to like come to events. So to solve this problem, we have an engagement tracking that builds the fast membership.
So what sets us apart from like different characteristics event enhancers? An example would be Eventbrite, which is a broad event discovery platform for a wide range of users. It relies on manual search and notary to find events. It has limited personalization based on user interests, and it is not designed for tracking long-term engagement. Microphone. Oh, don't get this. And then for ours, AI West Smart Match, we have a personalized profile with calendars and event tracking, AI-powered matching between student interests and opportunities, and we have similarity scoring for best fit speakers and presentations. We also have built-in engagement tracking for an IA membership.
So now that we went over our core features, I'm going to talk about our implementation pipeline. And so before we start, we're going to have a 12-month 3-phase rollout program. And before the 3 phases, we're going to start with our initialization, which is the kickoff and workspace setup. And it's going to make sure that we're just all aligned in our program goals and what we're going to go with this. So once we start, we have our optimization months 1 to 4. So based on the results we get during these months, we're going to refine our matching logic, improve the outreach strategies, and identify which engagement types drive the strongest outcome. So if we start to notice that like we can try to get people to go to more events, similar events, maybe try different events, this all during our testing stage, and we're going to optimize this. And then next, we're going to reach our expansion depth. It's when we're going to start adding a select few universities just to see the reliability of our website and see how well it interacts with the users. And then the full scale, months 8 to 12, we're going to extend to the full regional network, creating a consistent and automated approach to the campus engagement, all the way from Portland to San Diego.
Now, as for future improvements and works, first of all, we think about profiling. This is going to be verification of the people who are signing up to this website. It could be either phone verification to make sure it's one tap per user. It would be a cross-checking against a database of professionals and organizations to know their affiliations, so we provide a different level of privilege for the user interface. Next, we also have a check-in, and this would be a formal check-in process on the website that allows you to update this database live. So this provides the attendee and the organizer a real-time data on the active users that's actually checking in, and then you don't need to input it yourself via like Excel and import it to that space. Lastly, mobile compatibility. We want to make sure our website is formatted properly in mobile apps as well. We also want to make sure it's friendly to mobiles, as in we can also use QR codes for the check-in process, and then also QR codes for the post-survey at the very end of these organizations and these events.
Yeah, first this is.
And that's the end of our presentation. Thank you.